Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For further updates, don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Till I die, wherever I may be, my full credit goes to be a comedian is to Prince Chen. I've not struggled a lot. It's like destiny brought me somewhere and dropped me like that. I'm very observant person. Whoever I may be, but I'm not became theatrist to club. I may be small or I may be shit.
Goan Music Vibrant. Goan Music Vibrant. Koinkaratso Havas. Goan Music Vibrant.
तुमका जाय गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट जाय तुमका जाय गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट जाय
Goan Music Vibrant. Goan Music Vibrant. Koinkaratso Havas. Goan Music Vibrant.
समाजांत लोकांच्या तोंडार हांसो हाडपी नॅचरल कॉमेडी करून लोकांची काळजां मना जिखपी
तू मरे बोल तुका जात जाल्यार तकलेचे दोर हात लायन आसता
आवय तू म्हाका सांगता ते किलेची देवीत
ओय चल जाले 500 रुपये दित तुका
टीट फॉर टॅट उलोवन दुसऱ्याच्या पांयां तोडली जमीन हालोवपी आनी चतुर्थायेन आनी शिड्डुकायेन आपली पावलां मारपी
सो तुमचे लॉ आणि ऑर्डर कांयच ना कितें फाल्यां कोणूय चोरी करतलो तूं चोरा सामकार पांयां पडटलो बाबा चोरी करूं नाका म्हणून फाल्यां कोणूय मर्डर करतलो ताच्या तूं पांयां पडटलो बाबा मर्डर करी नाका म्हणून
द जॅम ऑफ कोंकणी स्टेज कॉमेडियन अनिता कॉमेडियन अनिता जल्मले सप्टेंबराचे 25वेर 1988 वर्सा आवय बापायचें नांव आग्नेलो संताना फेर्नांडीस आनी उबाल्दिना फेर्नांडीस दुसरे कोणीच न्हय पूण आमच्या आवडीचे आनी तुमच्या मोगाचे आनी फामाद कॉमेडियन अनिता पयलीं सदां येवकार तुका आमच्या आयचे हे कार्यावळीन
थँक्यू कॅन्डिडा
आनीक जशें परी तुमकां दिसून येता अनिता आयज म्हजे बरोबर आसा सो थोडी बडी कॉमेडी कितें तेजे कॉमेडी विशीं तूं म्हाका सांगतलें दुबाव ना सो लेट्स फोकस फर्स्ट ऑन योर लायफ हिस्ट्री ओके जावं तूं कशें पावलें जावं तूं खंयचें गांवांत खंयचें ऑलरायट सो आर यू रेडी
या
ओके सो अनिता पयलीं सद्याक तुजें फूल नांव कितें
अनिता सांतोलिना आब्रेलिया फेर्नांडीस
ओके बरें व्हडलें हा ओके
गांवान कार्मोनाचे बॉर्न इन ब्रॉट अप आणि lived there for 28 years so
Okay.
at present I live in Rashol
ओके
आणि तिगांचे चेडवांमध्ये हांव मोस्ती आशिल्लें अँड ऑलवेज कंप्लेन पर्सन लायक एश कोन्न पेरंट्स बी झगडीं घेवन येवप घरा सो आय वॉज ऑलवेज अ प्रॉब्लेमॅटीक चायल्ड इन द हाऊस सो आय टू गेट मॅक्झिमम बिटींग बट माय फादर नेवर बीटस नॉट अ सिंगल चायल्ड आयज पासून केन्नाच हात उबारूंक ना बट मादर येस लॉट आनी चड मार म्हाकाच पडला सो आय वॉज नॉटी
ओके
आय वॉज व्हेरी नॉटी
ओके इन स्कूल ऑल्सो
येस स्कूल ऑलमोस्ट हांव सदांच टील टुडे आय हेट मिन्स म्हाका सकाळीं उठपा आय डोंट लायक आय लव टू स्लीप इफ समबडी आस्क मी वॉट्स माय हॉबी आय वील से आय लायक टू स्लीप मॅक्झिमम आनी स्कुलान पासून हांव लेट येतालें आनी लेट आयल्यार तुवें रावंड घेवप ग्रावंडार मैदानार रावंड घेवप सो फॉर मी इट वॉज मोर इजियर दॅन गेटींग अप अर्ली सो हांव पर्पजली लेट वचप आनी तें रावंड मारतालें
ओके
and complaints and like in studies I was okay but मोस्तीपणा कंप्लेन्स ओके तें ना जाल्यार सरागे मार टिचरींगे मार नील डावन आउट ऑफ द क्लास आय थिंक मॅक्झिमम आय हॅव एक्सपिरियन्स दॅट आनी दोज आर एक्चुअली बेस्ट मेमरीज रादर दॅन बींग अ गुड चायल्ड आय फेल्ट
ओके पूण जितलें तूं मोस्ते असलें बट यू चेंज द सेल्फ टू अ टिचर लायक तूं इतलें मोस्ते आसन पासून तुवें लायक टिचरीचें प्रोफेशन जालें सो हाव वॉट डिड इट मोटिवेट यू टू लायक डू दॅट
I always liked a teacher who dresses well. My favorite teacher was Carmina. She's a headmistress in Raya, a lady of snow. and there were many other teachers who were temporary and all. So I always liked the way I actually imitated the way they used to teach. So sometimes there is always partialities, no, school like in terms of competition, program, this like many things. So I didn't get whatever in my childhood in school. I always dreamed that when I'll become a teacher, I'll be a different teacher. So that was my dream. So when I was small, म्हजें सपन आसलें I will be a primary teacher.
Okay.
So as I was growing older, I will teach in secondary school. So then still I felt that's why I did MSO for college section. But college section I didn't apply because कितलींशीं वर्सां तुका temporary रावपाक पडटा with quite low salary. So I felt going for secondary level is much better than waiting for so many years to become permanent. So I teach till 10th standard.
Okay.
As a teacher, I'm very naughty. I will, even I'm a batch. Any student who is good in studying or very decent, very particular in things, I don't think I have ever have a good relation with me. But mine are favorite, always naughty ones.
Okay.
We are good friends, and like means that nature is completely different between me and the child. And so I love naughty ones actually. So as a teacher also I'm not like good morning students, sit straight, this that. No, I never have rules. But when it comes to studies, yes. That time हांव तेंका अशें कशें ना जाल्यार हांव तेंका 4 वरां पासून रावता स्कुलां.
Okay.
But you have to study. So one day get fed up with that 4 o'clock, so next time they study. But when it comes to naughtiness, so कोणा चाडोवपाचें, फकाण केलें, even for me, they say something, we take it as fun, we enjoy, and I leave the class. So till now it is, teaching is not boring for me. Actually, that's my second home, and I love teaching. Means like I love to be with the students, and you remain young. You get updated with latest things, whatever. Like even in theatre, हांव जायते वापर करता, ideas आसता. Actually, they are naturally coming from the children. Or even the latest songs, they will say something, some songs. So that song only I may use for my background music, or for some other song, or for some comedy purpose. So Rebashin, they are my reference actually.
Okay.
And from childhood, ek म्हणटा तें dressing, like you know, we were always dressed up अशें कोन्न. Means ekulugot आसताले, and all 3 sisters used to dress up same color. We were never brought up. आमगे पेरेंट्सान आम केन्ना अशें कोन्न stylish केन्नाय वयर काडलें till SSC. मी म्हणटा जाल्यार आम डॅडी होडकोतालो complete. We started growing hair when we were in 11th standard. Even piercing of earrings was quite late. We were brought up as tomboys, we all 3. And Gemi Orop, my Feta Orop, our father used to take us like that. And we worked a lot as a childhood. As amge granny, we had all type of trees around our house. Binda, we never had a time to have a nice, bubbly time. पूण आमगे भुरगेपणांत ती बिंडा सॉल सुकोवपाचीं, मागीर आख्खे बोंडे पुंजायन हाडपाचे, मागीर तीं चुट्टां एकठांय करपाचीं, नाल्ल हाडपाचें, मागीर शेत रोयलें तें शेतां भात सुकोवपाचें, आनी मागीर नाल्ल व्हडलें तें खोबरें सुकोवपाचें, मागीर तें गिरणी मिन्स एवरीथींग शी यूज्ड टू डू होम, टॅमरीन ऑल्सो, देन मागीर आंब्या सोलां. Like we have worked so much, even we are like queen, but as a child our granny has always mana all 3. At least younger sister had good life because she was too small. But I and my sister, we really work, and she had so many hands, 60, 70 hands, and then we have to search for eggs in the property. And pigs, everything she had. So childhood was very hard, this thing like, not financial problem, but she used to make us work. आणि तें काम कोण मागीर एका ऑर्कीत हेडोन धाडटाली चुकोन अशी. Otherwise it was like that. But we still remember those days, and I am thankful to her because she made us very hardworking children. म्हजें मुळावें शिक्षण सेक्रेड हार्ट ऑफ जिजस हायस्कूल. मागीर हांवें 1 वर्स मल्टीपर्पज आनी 12th स्टँडर्ड सोसायटी कॉलेज इन कुंकोली. मागीर हांवें फर्स्ट इयर टू TY हांवें रोजरी कॉलेजीन आनी BA निर्मला इन्स्टिट्यूट एंड MA इन गोवा युनिवर्सिटी.
ओके, कितल्या वर्साच्या तेन्ना तुवें इस्कॉलान शिकोवपाक स्टार्ट केलें पळय तें?
At the age of 24.
24. Okay. Which is the name of the school that you're teaching in now?
Now
currently?
St. Xavier's Institute, Kurtori.
Okay. And कितली वर्सां जाली?
There I'm for 2014 till now. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 7 years.
ओके ओके. जायती मास्तर जी कोण तुजे स्टुडंट्स आहा तुजे फेवरेट तूं तेंचे जाला बा आसतले तेन्ना तुजे तियात्राक येता वो कितें?
Yeah, lot. Maximum Kurtori area is तियात्र चोवपी अशें. Even migrant student आसतात ती पासून येता तियात्राक येता. And as in my theatre, they were also participants as actors in my theatre.
ओके. वॉट अबाउट युअर फॅमिली? वॉट रेट जावं ही फॅमिली तुका आर्ट तुज्या फॅमिलींसान येयल्या वो तुमगे फॅमिली कोण नाहली?
Nobody, पूण like it is not always तुका टॅलंट आहा तो फ्लरिश जातलो म्हूण येना. बट मे बी दे हॅड बट इट वॉज नॉट फ्लरिश. लायक माय मदर्स मदर शी वॉज इन बॉम्बे and she was working in Parsi's house in Bombay. So she had a nice voice even in his 80s. She used to sing very nicely and means she had something in to do acting, but she never portrayed because they had other hardships in life. Means
Okay.
but I feel she had something like that. Like then my grandfather, my father's father, used to write some plays. It's him some. We have not even seen when my father was 7 years old, he died.
Okay.
So we have never seen. He was a tailor actually in profession. And maybe something like that. I don't know. But I feel they are talented. Then my daddy Ladin Mudpa, like he used to sing that. So maybe something, there is something, but it was not flourished, I feel.
Okay.
But in school, I never participated in anything.
You never?
In school, in college, never. हांव जेन्ना 8वेक आसलें तेन्ना पयलोच आमच्या इगोर्जीन फादर एलिझो बारेटो तो जेन्ना आमचे फिरगोंजीन आयलो तेन्ना अदरवायज नॉर्मल क्रिसमस प्रोग्राम कशे जाता एनीबडी कॅन डू एनीथींग एनी टायम. पूण जेन्ना तो आयलो तेन्ना ताणें सांगलें एका वाड्यांनी प्रोग्राम आसचे एक दिसा. मागीर आमच्या वाड वी हॅव ओन्ली 9 houses इन अ वॉर्ड इन कार्मोना. सो व्हेरी लेस पॉप्युलेटेड एरिया. तर ते 9 घरांतली 3-4 houses वर some were in Bombay, some were in Africa. So only 3-4 houses people were living. आणि हे 3 घरांतले 2 घरां भुरगीं अशीं. Okay, we 3 and there were other boys in my neighborhood. So मागीर no option like no even you have to like because फादरान सांगला. मागीर ते म्हाका प्ले बरयले आनी मागीर म्हाका मायनचो रोल दिलो झाडपाल्याचो वोयज म्हण कितें. सो हांव माय जाताली. सो थिंगा थॉमस म्हणटा त्या भुरग्यान प्ले बरयली आनी हांवें एक्टींग केली. सो इट वॉज गूड. वी गॉट द प्रायज ऑल्सो. आनी मागीर आमी अंबाजी एक कॉम्पिटिशन पार्टिसिपेट जाली. दे वी गॉट 2nd प्रायज. देन ऑल इंट्रस्ट आसा ना करपा जाय कर. देन नेक्स्ट इयर अगेन वी डीड. देन इट वॉज नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिशन बेश्टें परफॉर्म केल्लें. And when I was reached to SSC, Kenny, comedian Kenny आसा तो तेणें म्हाका पयलें आनी ताणें एक हेडांत व्हेलें म्हाका कार्नवालाचें हेड. थिंगा पावलें. देन इट्स ब्रेक लायक बट दॅट इंट्रस्ट आसोंक ना. पूण जेन्ना आमकां डॅडी ल्हानपणी सावन तियात्राक व्हरतालो विद्यानिकेतनान दॅट टायम कसली सीन जाली जाल्यार ती सीन आमी घरा करतालीं. हांव आनी म्हजी भयण एल्डर सिस्टर. We used to dress up, sorry, even आमी एक पाट एश कोन्न मामेंगे रोप पासून कातोला and we had lot of beating. So that we used to do, but in school was never, my talent was never tapped. Or like I have said only I think maybe prayer for assembly and thought for the day and once newspaper. I remember so much because it was like few things, no, that's why I remember. Magi things on then I was into dance group when I was in 11th standard. Alex Sound dance group आणि ताचो स्टुडियो आसलो मारगांव. So we used to come to practice there. So one day I didn't come and आमगे घरांत एक कामाक चेडूं आसलें. So she was very good dancer. So I took her also in that group. So एक दीस हांव वचोंक ना तें गेल्लें तेन्ना मिनी मारियो थंयसर सम रिकॉर्डिंगाक येयलो आनी आंतोने दे मायना कितें ताच्या तियात्राक आसलें तें रोसफनाक गेलें समथींग. सो रोसफनाक गेलें ताका सबस्टिट्यूट जाय आसलें. मागीर ताणें त्या चेडवां लागीं विचारलें तुमकां कोणाकूय इंट्रस्ट आसा एक्टींग करपाक. सो ते आमच्या कामाक आसले ते चेडवान म्हणलें यो म्हजे घराक आसा शी इज टू से सिस्टर फॉर मी मुगे काजन भयण आसा समथींग शी सेड. Then she told me, then they came next day to my house. I said, okay. Then I did a serious role actually. I never began with a comedian. So I did a substitute college girl in 7 shows I did. And now I got something less, maybe my destiny is somewhere here. मुझे गोडे हे तियात्रान म्हजें लायफ जावपाक शकता. मागीर मिनी मारियोचे मागीर कितलेशेच तियात्र येयले. ही नेवर अप्रोच मी. देन कॅनी वॉज इन टू सम डिफरंट ग्रुप्स. आय यूज टू प्रे लायक यू नो द डायरेक्टर नेवर फ्लरिश ऑल्सो. पूण ते डायरेक्टर म्हाका खूब व्हडले त्या टायमार. एटलिस्ट आय मे गेट अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हाका थिंगा नाचपाक बट आय नेवर गॉट. देन Antoinette is my good charm, like कित्याक she never approached but indirectly I got opportunity. See, first mini Mario Antoinette लागून मेळ म्हाका. Then आनेकलो I don't remember name. Names I'm bad. Joki from Ponda.
Okay.
He did some one film CD. So ते सीडीन Antoinette आसलें. Okay. So Antoinette रोसफनाच्या तियात्रार लंडन वचपाक पडलें. So the shooting was set. So one friend I had, Edison, he passed away. So he took me to act in that CD. But that CD didn't release. It released but much later. मागीर थिंग म्हाका कॅमेरामॅन स्पिरिटाची वळख जाली. सो कॅमेरामॅन स्पिरिटाची वळख जाली म्हण सो देर वॉज ओनली कॉन्टॅक्ट. आय जस्ट ही न्यू मी आनी हांव तें वळखतालें. आनी मागीर बॉनिफासाचें शुटींग आसलें. फिल्म चलतालें एंड द टीम वॉज फ्रॉम बॉम्बे. डॉमिनीक कॅमेरामॅन वॉज ते एवरीथींग. सो थिंगा आनी एक कोण तियात्रीस कॉमेडी करपा आसलें. सो तेंगे आख्खें सेट बी केलें. सो ते चेडवा आपयलें कॉमेडी कोर म्हूण नॉट Antoinette, समबडी एल्स. सो कॉमेडी कर म्हणल्यार ते म्हणपा लागलें आपूण हिरोईन हांव कॉमेडी करपा जाता. सो हाव मेंटेलिटी वॉज कॉमेडी शूड लूक फनी फेस ऑर समथींग लायक दॅट मस्ट बी. आनी आपूण कॉमेडी दिसना. सो शी लेफ्ट द सेट एंड शी वेंट. सो नाव द सेट इज ऑलरेडी पूट. इट इज नॉट लायक आ लोकल सेट नो. दे आर चार्ज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टायमींग. सो मागीर म्हाका स्पिरिटान फोन केलो तूं खांबटा ऑपोजीट मातशें कॉमेडी करपा जाय मेड रोल कितें तूं कोता. आय सेड येस. सो इमिजिएटली हांव येयलें. And that's how I met Humbert. So I met Humbert when Humbert took me to Jacob. So when I met first time Jacoba पयलें मेवलें तेन्ना जॅकबान विचारलें म्हाका तुका कसलो रोल करपा आवडटा. I said serious because I'm tense केला न्हू ताज्या भायर हांवें कांयच करूंक ना. मागीर ताणें म्हणलें ना हांव तुका कॉमेडी रोल दिता. सो टील टुडे आय डोंट नो ताणें म्हजे भितर कितें पयलें वाय ही फेल्ट दॅट आय शूड बी अ कॉमेडियन. सो till I die, wherever I may be, my full credit goes to be a comedian is to Prince Jacob. So this is my beginning of the theatre. I've not struggled a lot. It like destiny brought me somewhere and dropped me in there like that.
Okay.
Ani मागीर हांव next after Jacob, comedian Augustine. Comedian Augustine, I will give credit for fame. Like Jacob ग्रुपा आसतना only brother and ताचो photo. So that was his professional way. So your face was known only on your work and on stage. So on the media level, where my face came to know because of comedian Augustine. तेगे comedy Monday CD करून आनी ताचे तियात्रान जे फावना ते मेवना फर्स्ट तियात्रान. So there my face came to know by maybe 30% people or more, I don't know. After that, then I took a break because of my B.Ed exams for one season. Then I went to Rosfans. Then after Rosfans, in between, I acted for comedian Sally, Mariano. And then I joined Francis Tetuye, John De Silva, Irene, and then mine own production. Selvi and my production.
Okay. Any criticism that you have faced till now?
Yeah, in theatre, वेन यू आर इन लायमलायट ओ तूं खंय फेम मेळ्ळें आनी इफ यू थिंक दॅट तूं खंय सक्सेस मेळटा जाल्यार ते यशा बले तुका पाड घालपा आसताच. दॅट इज कंपल्सरी एंड हॅज टू बी देर. एंड इफ देर इज नो क्रिटिसिजम you don't become strong. You have to fall somewhere. So I have fallen many times, not because of my fault. It is because of ane konange gunya kante oj kan mujhe resh galo. So the thing, but I became very strong. So now you do anything in future for me or you damage me as much you can, I will not be destroyed unless God takes me away. So it makes you strong and it has to be there in your life journey, I feel.
ओके. एक चेडूं म्हणटकूच तियात्रांनी येवपाक जायते त्रास पडटा, जावं जायते लायक वयर सकयल आसता. सो तुवें कितले त्रास हे फेस केले जावं एक चेडूं म्हणटच, कित्याक इट्स ऑलवेज दे लायक गर्ल्स लायक their parents don't allow something like that. So anything, something happened with you?
See, it's not only theatre. तूं खंयच्याय जॉबा वच which is at night, that is bad in the society. समाजान तूं खंयचोय काम रातचें, इफ यू आर गोईंग इन हॉटेल, तें चेडूं हूं येता, इद रातीको येता, कोणा बरा येता, these questions are always there, whether it is in hotel, whether you are in call center, whether you are air hostess, or whether you are in theatre or in any other like band, whichever job is worked at night, society always have a bad impression, and because you are a girl. So although we say चेडवां चेडे समाजांत एक आसात, it can never be. If I see the Old Testament story of so many centuries back, and if you तूं आतां तर समाजांत कितें चलता तेचो it is same. त्या तेंपार कितें जातालें आज कितें, it is same. Only thing the technology is developed. तेज्या भायर आनी कांय संसार म्हणटा तो समाज, it never changed only. My income, although I'm government servant, my salary is much higher, but I think the easy money is theatre money. Anyway, it is more. I did lot of theatre money. Like I've constructed new house, my vehicle, every asset I dreamed. And I could make that की आमगे पेरेंट्सान आम केन्ना एक मोबायल पासून घेवन दिल ना. इवन केबल yesterday I was talking with my friends, so they used to say like तुगे डॅडी सिरियल चोयना पळयना. So she said पवित्र रिश्ता. I said पवित्र रिश्ता सिरियल चलता तेन्ना we didn't even have cable. दूरदर्शन आसतालें, DD1 DD2 येतालें. And till we complete our education, all three sisters, then my father took a cable. So in that manner, our father took his good care of us, all three, education wise, and many other. My father is very helpful nature. Very helpful. के दे राती कोणे आपयल्यार हें केल्यार he will go. He will not have that jealousy type or कुसडेपणा. Mother is like that. A woman has that. No, we are born with jealousy. So I maximum, if I have good qualities, are from my father. I imitate him a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, and he is my. If anybody asks me who is my weakness, I say it's my father. I don't love anybody more than my father. And because of him also I'm there in this industry, because rati orpa yopa 2-3 to म्हाका रावतालो, like bus standar orpa येतालो. So then कितल्योश्यो न्हीद पेडे केले to bring me somewhere. So that's another thing, my father.
Okay. कॉमेडीन अनिता आपल्या पुरा यशाचो क्रेडिट आपल्या बापायक दिता. बापायचें नांव अग्नेलो संताना फेर्नांडीस. They say father is a daughter's first love, and no one in this world can love a girl more than her father. आपल्या भुरग्याच्या सुखादुखांत सदांच वांटो घेवपी आनी दुसऱ्याच्याय आदाराक पावपी. आयज ताणें केल्ल्या सॅक्रिफिसांक ताका आमचो सलाम.
My favorite place all over the world म्हणल्यार is India, and I like Goa. So I don't think of such dream. My dreams kite, we have one field property. I will do some farmhouse or like some vegetation. Gardening is my favorite. So my dreams are like that. If something happened to my job, I will start with tuition. So my dreams are somewhere in Goa only. I have no dream. Even if I go abroad, tour bhi, I go, means हांव केन्ना advance 4-5 दीस हांव केन्ना गेल ना. तियात्र आहा त्याच दिसा travel जाता because of my leave. I perform, I come. I don't do shopping. I don't do anything. I don't go out also. फकत एअरपोर्टार कोणा चॉकलेट बी घेवपा जाय त्यो आय टेक एंड आय कम बॅक अदरवायज आय डोंट लायक टू गो आउट.
Okay. Due to her job, which she never compromised on and is very particular regarding it, comedian Anita travels alone for any of the shows that are staged abroad. And that is the reason we couldn't locate her in any of the group photos for any of the productions or theatres that are staged abroad. She has done a lot of national and international tours for many of the theatres staged there. तुवें तुजो ओन तियात्र काडलेलो सो जावं हाव वाज इट टफ फॉर यू और व्हाट?
Yes, for women, anything is tough in this world. However, you say you may be a strong woman, anything. If you want to succeed in this industry, two things you should have. One is talent, and other thing is money. Okay, if you don't have money, like you want to do lots, I think korpak jay because we don't have producers here. Theatre is something in the world there is no other industry. The theatraचा प्रकारूच ना. Okay, आणि मनी फर्स्ट थिंग इफ म्हाका तियात्र करपा जाय जाल्यार म्हाका पयशे आय हॅड टू हॅव समथींग सो दॅट आय डीड फर्स्ट. एक्चुअली म्हणजे फर्स्ट तियात्र जावपाक सो फायनान्शियली लायक आय ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू डू विथ सेटअप. म्हाका तें लायक सेटअप लायटिंग्स टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन दॅट. मागीर दॅट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी I wanted to be my producer was Mariano. So 3 person I would really like to thank. One is comedian Jacob for being a comedian. तेकला हांव comedian जालें. Francis ते तुवें because जेन्ना ताचो ग्रुप स्टार्ट जालो he didn't have any other comedian professional. आतां आसताय पण पयलें आसोना till Southern Goa Ambe had joined but before that no comedians. So it was a challenge for me because I'm a female आणि opposite म्हाका challenge करपाक कोण आसोंक ना to support me. कितें बरयतें हा तें मागीर तें it is to become too long, then you have to sit and edit and then it has to come to proper thing. So to become a script writer, I will thank Francis. He didn't have to write, but I got an opportunity to become a proper writer in comedy. And Mariano, I directed his theatre CM. So the CM theatre वयल्यान I became a director to direct the artist. So to become a director, I've experienced everything. Theatre कितकोन बरोवपा जाय, hall कितकोन book करपा जाय, how to handle practices, everything. So that I did, and that was 25 practices we did of CM. And CM tia jana cholong na, I really collapsed because that was my I expected too high about it. Then my criticism like it was copy of film CM Bharat. It was not actually copy. It was a concept. What was the concept of that film? That CM is good. It is always shown that CM politicians are bad. So I only copied that this thing, but everything and every scene is from Goa. So then some criticism, there were other reasons also for their downfall, but even Mariano spent almost 7-8 lakhs for the setup. I don't know tum poilo zala to. And lot he spent it, he was in completely loss. And I Mariana sanglo loti to get solna, I will be never part of your production.
Okay.
Solta, I will be always be part of product. And after that, I think he didn't come also. So that regret I still have and still have a question why it happened. So Tejera completely destroyed Zalim. In that year, I cried and they were professional artists too. So here and there, maybe I'm a junior, so I'm boroilole, tengode like Zana, yan kon sangpa. So maybe that mentality was there, what I don't know. Cooperation was not there. And I used to cry in the dressing room. I feel like crying if I remember that year because I've never worked so much as much I worked for that year. And somebody told me, one comedian told me that Anita, that theatre, I will do it again. Okay. Let's see whether he will do. And I will make it hit and I will show you, he said, let's see.
ओके ओके पूण हो तियात्र तुवें तुजो ओन बरयलेलो तेका तुजो चडान चड सपोर्ट तुका कोणाचो मेळलो जावं खंयच्या डायरेक्टराचो
No, nobody. I told you, as experience made me very strong. So जितले हांव I'm very observant person. हांव चड अशें करून I don't have big friend circle. If I have, they are very close to me like family members. I don't mix up also much with any other colleagues or much. In school, yes, but in theatre fraternity, no. आणि सपोर्ट म्हणटा तें कोणाचो घेवंक ना बिकॉज आय सी आनी म्हणटा तूं एक तियात्र कोणें बरोवन दिलो लायक तुवें म्हाका तियात्र बरोवन दिलो आनी तो तियात्र बरो गेलो जाल्यार यू वील टेल एवरीबडी हांवें बरयला ओके इवन इफ यू एडिट अ स्मॉल डायलॉग आपूण बरयला तेका कांय आसना हांवें केला पूण तो तियात्र पळ म्हण तूं तेणें बरयलें तर हांवें बिस्तें हें केलां सो this is there's lot of dirty there's nobody good I can say in this world including me I will not say I'm good and हे field असले like तुगे कितें वायट जाता न्हू लायक फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुगे तियात्र चलना लोक ना जायना ते हाशा भितर येतले सर्टन पीपल बरो तियात्र नायस एंड वेन इट इज गुड they will say ते कितें आहा तेगे तियात्र so like yesterday I was practicing with my friend I said you take my interview I said I'll answer कित्याक जायते तेंपान I'm taking no I म्हणलें then he asked me question then his one question was like तुगे तियात्र सक्सेसफूल जाल जाल्यार मिन्स तुगे काणी चलल जाल्यार तूं कितें दिसता तियात्र चलल जाल्यार I let Mike actually you have to question me but I'm adding my friend's question. I said success is not because तुगे script बरी हा or तुगे comedy बरी something बरी हा म्हण I say for so many years आम दुसऱ्यांक कोण येताय that is the blessing you get for your production. I say like that. I'm not saying my script was good. I'm not saying something was good but I will say it was a blessing जाय इतल्या वर्सान दुसऱ्याक केलो तें सो आय डिडंट गेट एनी सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एनीबडी टू रायट दिस तियात्र फकत म्हाका सॉंग्स बरोवपाक कन्सेप्ट वॉज मायन आनी कांत पासून हांवें बरयल्लें म्हगे तियात्राचे पूण आनी गावपा इट वॉज बॅकग्रावंड सिंगींग इट वॉज सेड बाय रोशन सांग बाय रोशन आनी फकत कांतरां बरोवपाक म्हाका पिटरान हेल्प केला आनी एकलें म्हगे वन्स हांव एक वर्कशॉपाक गेल्लें आय वॉज अ स्पीकर
ओके
आणि one student there were various college students and then my number gelo and suddenly she called me one day ma'am I want to act I want to be like you आपल्या केन्ना chance दितले तूं I said okay so I just saved her number so first I brought her in Marian's theatre Valencia म्हण and then I said तियात्र काडटा तेन्ना I want you as my assistant okay and she helped me a lot to go for booking hall book करपा ad घालपा आनी मुझे बारा travel जावपा so we enjoyed that journey together even if I cried she always supported me but she troubled me a lot when it come to stage of direction means म्हाका जाय ते भशेन कोण आहलें then I get मीन्स हांव तेजें खूब रागार जावप सारकें लायक वोस तूं केन्ना एक्टर जावपाना यू आर नॉट फीट हियर मागीर स्टील शी रिस्पेक्ट्स मी एस्टरडे ओनली शी कॉल्ड मी आपूण तुगे घार येवपाक सोदता Valencia she is doing the silent comedy something now on YouTube
okay.
So I want to come she still respect me but I have said so many things to her so she was my strength that time and मागीर एक पावट तियात्र almost start जावपा लागीं पावलो तेदोन कितें एक्चुअली म्हगे ड्रीम कितें आहली तुका प्रोफेशनल गायलें न्हू दे ट्रबल यू लॉट खूब सतायतात आनी सो म्हगे हांव पयलें आहलें I said I'm observant so जेन्ना दुसरे डायरेक्टर एक तियात्र घालताले न्हू सो तेन्ना तेंगे म्हणटा सिंगर आहाय सो द डायरेक्टर इज टू गेट सो डिस्टर्ब आरे तूं पावला खंय पावला देन समरी यू हॅव टू चेंज इतू मातशें हिंग वसा थिंग वसा दॅट पीस ऑफ मायंड तुगे वयतालो सो I never thought I will put lot of professional because they will make me mad and as a woman where I will run I don't have any other supporter it was only me standing alone so I avoided singing and songs I avoided if I put my some students and I will do that even mangele comedy kiti ha concept kiti ha it will be students me and only one comedian I thought of that is Selvi so I magi कॉमेडियन आगोस्तिना हांवें केलां कितें करूं म्हाका सेल्वी जाय म्हगे तियात्रां तो म्हाका नाचतलो ही सेड हय नाचतलो देन ही सेड यू ऑल डू अ डील तूं तेका नाच आय फॉर मेनी इयर्स हांव स्टॉप्ड डुईंग विलेज शोज बी सो तेण म्हण म्हाका तूं सेल्वी नाच सेल्वी तुका नाचतलो आनी होरे नाचता देन इट बिकेम फायनल सो आय स्टार्टेड एक्टींग हिम सो वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड सेड चोया तुगे तियात्र चलपाना प्रोफेशनल लोक सोदताय तुगे भुरग्यां चोवपा लोक येतलो दे सेड somebody else said it will look like this school annual day दिसतो तुगेली बट स्टील आय हॅड समवे कॉन्फिडन्स वाय कितें आमगे स्कुलान कॉम्पिटिशन आसताय रवींद्र भवन गव्हर्मेंट लेवल तालुका लेवल स्टेट लेवल दे नो आय हॅड पार्टिसिपेटेड थ्रायस इन द प्ले कॉम्पिटिशन आनी हांव जिखता थिंगा फर्स्ट प्रायज आयज टू गेट एंड आय हॅव नो आयडिया ऑफ आनी तेंगे डायरेक्टर टिचर्स कितें नाटकां नाचपी नाटक रायटर्स सो क्वायट हाय प्रोफेशनल एंड आय एम नोवेर नियर देम सो आय टू बी नियर देम सो थिंग म्हाका तरी हें जातालें कॉन्फिडन्स येतालें इवन कोणाय दुसऱ्या डायरेक्टरां पासून हांवें सांगिल्लें न्हू मिन्स चोय रे तुगे अशें जावपा जाय दीस टू गेट इरिटेट तुगे तें हें तियात्रान तूं प्ले हिंगा स्कुलान तूं प्ले न्हू त्या मिन्स आय गॉट डिस्करेजमेंट देर लायक इवन समबडी सेड टू मी एक पाटी एक कॉमेडी कोणें सबस्टिट्यूट करपाक गेलो समवे मास्कट एंड दुबय आय सेड आय हेल्प यू बट तुगे कॉमेडी आहा तें हांव कोना बिकॉज आय डिडंट लायक then one comedian said professional comedian tu kitol writeru but after that he did my comedy at least thrice now so that discouragement I got so with that discouragement I got a challenge yes I will write हांव बरयतलें then म्हाका अशें कोणाक म्हगे फ्रेंड्स लायक आय एम गूड टू वन फ्रेंड क्लोज टू वन तियात्रीस सो चडशे जाणें हॅबीट कितें तूं मातशें सांग रे तेका I don't like that.
Okay.
If you like me, you come near me. तूं तेका सांगनाका. So then that person said to me, तूं कितलो ना? So I said, whoever I may be, but I'm not became theatrist to Klagon. That person has to come near me. Till today, I don't like when third person approaches to my friend, to somebody else. So you have to come near me. I may be small or I may be shit. So you have to come near me, according to me. So that is the.
Okay.
And then हे तियात्रा येतो मागीर स्टार्ट करपा म्हाका कॉमेडियन घाल म्हणपा लागले देन नाव आय नेवर हॅव कॉन्टेक्ट विथ ब्रायन ओनली वन्स फॉर पाद्री मोगन पडला हांवें सबस्टिट्यूट केल्लें ब्रायना बल्ले आनी नथींग नो कॉन्टेक्ट ही इज फ्रॉम माय सेम विलेज कार्मोना रावतात आनी केन्नाय कॉन्टेक्ट ना म्हाका तेंगे फॅमिली बारा केन्नाय नाचलो ना सो हाव टू कॉन्टेक्ट सो आय आस्क one of my friend his number and ते कॉल केलें हॅलो ब्रायन हांव अनिता उलयतां म्हगे तियात्रा नाचतलो हांव तियात्र काडा इतलें म्हणलें हांव हा मोबायल ही सेड सो आय वॉज सरप्रायज लायक हाव ही हॅव दॅट पॉझिटीव वे फॉर मी आनी तो कितल्या डायरेक्टर आहलो जनवरी मेनी अदर डायरेक्टर्स मागीर रिचर्ड तेणें म्हूण म्हाका रिचर्डा गायना हें हांवें रिचर्ड म्हाका नाचतलो हांव तेगे तियात्रा नाचोन ना सो हय नाचतलो देन आय कॉल्ड हिम ही ऑल्सो सेड येस देन आय कॉल्ड सॅली ऑल्सो सेड येस बट टील लास्ट डे ऑफ माय तियात्र फायनल प्रॅक्टीस म्हाका विश्वास आसना ते म्हाका येतो म्हूण बिकॉज दे वर मच हायर टॉप डायरेक्टर्स कम्पिटिटींग विथ मी सो फायनली आय डिडंट नो वॉट हॅपन बट तियात्रा दिसांनी लायक तियात्र जाले कॉमेस जाले टील लास्ट डेट एवरीबडी कॉपरेटेड वेल विथ मी सो this comedian was the only strength of my theatre. Besides that, Ronnie and my students.
Okay. So how many shows you did of this year?
29 I did.
Silver Jubilee Valley.
Yeah. Very fast it was and unexpected. And because I ते लोकांक लायक जाताय दोज प्रोफेशनल आय डिडंट पूट एक्चुअली हांवें घालपा जाय आसलें बट हांवें भियोनू घाललें पडलें जाल्यार पडलो चलो जाल्यार चलोलो आय डोंट हॅव टू रिग्रेट ओ आय डोंट हॅव टू डान्स आफ्टर एनीबडी कोणा आसल्यार नाचपा नाकाल्लें आय हॅव सीन डायरेक्टर्स गोईंग एंड नॉकिंग द डोर ऑफ द एक्टर्स यो रे मातशें पांय पोटाय इवन विजा पोण पासून दे से आय एम नॉट कमींग मिन्स एसो एक्टर्स हांवें चोयले सो आय डिडंट वॉन्टेड डेट माय स्टुडंट्स आयकना जाल्यार एक तापोट मारले तापयलें आय थिंक आय विल हॅव मच मोर रिस्पेक्ट आय फेल्ट एंड दॅट्स वाय आय वेंट फॉर अलॉंग विथ माय स्टुडंट्स सो दॅट सक्सेस वॉज अ ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग फॉर मी आनी हांव केन्ना अशें करून तियात्र कावंटरार पासून आय नेवर वेंट की तूं टिकेट गेल्या हें गेलें लायक नो बट आय टू आस्क दुसरे सांगताले ऑटोमॅटिकली ब्रायन इज टू गो लायक ही इज टू टेल मी रॉनी इज टू गो सो तेंगे सपोर्ट म्हाका स्ट्रॉंग आसलो एंड ब्रायन स्टूड फॉर मी एज अ पिलर वेन इट केम टू तियात्र इट नॉट ओनली फॉर मी आतां चेड आनी चेड आहा तेका बरो जाला आसतो तो सो दॅट ऑटोमॅटिकली कम इफ आय वॉज विथ फ्रांसीस तेतून फॉर मेनी इयर्स that is come yes that friendship close friendship always be when you work together then these things come and I'm ready to accept that but theatre jenna what is that चलपा लागलो that was a unexpected thing I didn't accept आनी तुमको तो डायरेक्टर येता हांव तो इतू लोक तेगे इतू फॅन आहा हाव इट वील बी एन आनी हें आहा लायक आज पासून बायलेगी बायल तियात्र काडलोले केन्नाय चल्लोलो ना
रायट
केन्नाय चल्लो ना एन म्हाका तें म्हणलोलें हांव तर बायल कोणा जाय बायल तियात्र काण कोणागे चलता सो दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो अ चॅलेंज फॉर मी चलतलो या कितें जातलो लायक सो वेन फर्स्ट एड केम not a single call for me Anita congratulations oh Anita तुगे ad बर जाल्लें nobody only around 6 o'clock मुगे डॅडीन कॉल केल म्हाका आनी ही इज वेरी फॅन ऑफ फुटबॉल सो एवरी संडे गांवां पासून फुटबॉल जाल्यार हूंय टोर्नामेंट आहल्या तो वयता थिंगा सो समबडी सेड नॉट ही तेंक खबर आसना तो मगे डॅडी म्हूण तियात्र येयला तेगे एड बर जालें एडाचेरू पयशे भरले दे सेड सो दॅट call he made me that satisfied me otherwise nobody even my friends nor nobody called me and appreciated me for that ad or something so somewhere the discouragement was there my mother came for Panjim show and my mother was always against theatre so it was like after Sankadi Mapsa second was in Panjim पेंजीम शो आती येयला ती म्हणपा लायक केसो शो तुगेलो ते चक्का अशें बरें ना सो she said and she went but she didn't realize how much it discouraged me I was like broken because she is my member so she discouraged me and she works in Italy so she on 8 something she traveled back to Italy then when it came to Margao like then I told Brian I said what to do and I was comedian आहले हांव घरां कॉमेडी रावले आनी मेन कॉमेडीन वेलेन्सिया धाडलें थिंगाय फॉर सायड कॉमेडीज देन ब्रायन म्हणपा लागलो तूं थिंग यो म्हणपा लागलो सायड शोआ सो आय जॉयन दॅट कॉमेडी एंड चेंज द कॉमेडी एज मीन्स क्विकली and then in Margao it clicked so then it went on so this is how things discouragement is always there was there आणि my father also is one thing good about him like तेको इंचारलें न्हू तियात्र केस आहलोलो he will say ते लोकांक सांगपा जाय न्हू दॅट इज ऑल्सो गुड टायम केन्नाय म्हण आमगे चड बरो कोत्ता सो दॅट आमचोय वाय द आर्टिस्ट आर फेलियर आतां भुरगीं येताय ती मोस्टली पेरंट्स कम विथ देम तेंक पावोवपा हें करपा and they only speak about their child आवय ते बरें सारकें बरें कोता तो तुमको फादर येयलो म्हणटा तो फादर मुगे चेडवा लागून येयला मीन दे स्पीक सो हायली अबाउट देयर चायल्ड दे स्टील इवन वेन आय हियर देम देयर इंटरव्यूज हांवें एक्टींग केलें लोकांनी म्हाका सारकें एक्सेप्ट केलें लोक म्हाका रावता नो it is theatre is like in every theatre is new for you took every theatre you are a new artist you have to be successful in that theatre and I can't say I am famous artist for me no there are still maybe 70% where people still don't know me and there is lot I have to do so I believe like that so parents giving confidence to a child actually destroys the artist actually you must not make them high or यो आनी म्हाका म्हण तूं दिसोलें मुगे कॉमेडी बरी आहा एंड यू कम एंड टेल मी मागीर तुगे कॉमेडी बरी आहा आय विल नेवर ट्रस्ट यू बट इफ आय गेट अ लाफ्टर देर दॅट आय विल ट्रस्ट that is your applause actually not somebody your friends coming and appreciating you and bullying you you are best you are that I never trust and that I never trusted myself till today
Okay, which is the language that you teach in school?
Konkani and history.
Konkani and
subject history and Konkani language.
History म्हणल्यार सगळी नॉलेज आसतली.
Yeah, mostly Indian history I teach.
Okay, कोंकणी सब्जेक्ट जाल्यार एक तूं रोल करता जायते तूं आणि तुजी लँग्वेज आसा ती पर्टिक्युलर ते भाशेन आसा अशें तशें हाव डज इट कम लायक दॅट लँग्वेज
That language comes when you start reading those Devanagari books येता आनी हांव जेन्ना B.Ed कोत्तालें that time I was very good in teaching, I was active, I was confident, but my language was a problem. म्हणजे कोंकणी language, and I was not coming from I was coming from English medium school, so Konkani basic I was not good, but I was a good writer, essays, letters, संवाद बरोवपाक बरें आसलें. So तेजेर हांव स्कोर करप. Even in my Rosary College, I was topper in Konkani. So my write-up was very good. That is to change. Even I remember when I was 7th standard, framing of sentences, then I always, my sentences are always, I will touch somewhere to your heart. So one teacher said, you have lot of grammatical mistake, but your sentences are nice, they used to say. So this I remember. So I think I had that writing skill. Even in school, writing of plays, stories, competition, lot I participate. And my dream is always to win. I don't like to lose.
जेन्ना तुका यंग अचिवर्स अवॉर्ड मेळलो what was the feeling like? Did you like
No,
did you trust in the
young
awards?
achiever award is not something is you are getting for your work. I feel young achiever, even for my speech I said हिंगान कोण ऑप्शन ना म्हण म्हाका दिला आसतलो because every list on the age limit कोण आसा ता you get achievement actually award till today in this theatre this thing are not actually took म्हाका मेळ्ळे so many Jack Sikir I got, Gulab award I got, but they are not justice award I feel sometimes. So I will not say yes I got it because of my hard work. Sometimes it is their judge's favorite or something other option. So for
you
that
believe
I'm
audience
not,
appreciation is
yes, very important this thing.
Late Madhavi Sardesai, a Konkani professor at Goa University, has always been her inspiration. Comedian Anita कितल्याशाच विसीडींनी एक्टिंग वा कांतारा केल्यान ती आमकां दिसून येता. एक उमेदीची गजाल म्हटल्यार she always ends her speech with a shairi and she loves doing it. Take a look at this one which she had done when she was awarded at the Young Achievers Award.
Last I would like to say one shairi. तुम जाणा शायरी तुम फकत वा वा म्हणपाचें. I like to write shairis. फकत तुम वा वा म्हणपाचें. बोर नाल्या पासून वा वा म्हणे. गांवांत कोरमोणीची अनिता आनी ब्रायन. गांवांत कोरमोणीची अनिता आनी ब्रायन. नाव जोडले आमी बाबान आनी बाईन. नाव आमी जोडले बाबान आनी बाईन. तो माचेर लायन आनी हांव डायन. तो माचेर लायन आनी हांव डायन. कार्यावळ सोमचे पयलीं कुशाल करात आमकां ल्हानशें चायन.
Okay, now tell me something about your personal life. Are you married or something like that?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, people doesn't know. Do you have kids?
No, not yet.
Okay, all right. Okay, how much is your husband? Is he supporting you for theatre?
Yeah, always. I was in love at very young age, so we know each other for past 15 years, and since we know each other, I was into this. So my in-laws are very good. I'm blessed to have very good in-laws, better than my husband. My in-laws are like angels.
Okay, sometimes people doesn't have that. So this is
And
plus
see,
point for
yeah, when I always knew my mother-in-law was like, no, she was fighter. Means I've always seen her fighting whenever I met her. So I used to hardly come at their place. I used to not like them also. Then I used to think how I will adjust with them. So when I joined that house, means like it was completely different for me. And they are so loving. And my mother-in-law is like, she'll go, means आमच्या बरा कितें चलता असतील and she is very funny. I can live with her my life and we are good time pass of each other.
Okay.
वट मोडून शिराप घालता लागीं म्हाका सोयरी केलेल्या
पातीसेर फामील वयल्यान विसूल चुरचुऱ्या करून वेलेल्याक एक कप चाव मेवो नासली कोणूय मुनीसांगेर ठेवलेल्या.
Okay, from where do you write your own comedies?
Yes.
So from where do you get these plots, like in a unique way, in a decent way? Because I have funny language नसतं, but तू simple उतरांनी पासून तुझी comedy जाता. But
Sometimes I told you na, as a child I was very naughty. Means सुबे जोलोपा सारखे like I was like I'm a good fighter. तू म्हाका एशोन you speak filthy language, गाडी मार म्हाका आनी उलोयत राव, I will finish you in one sentence. Okay, and झगडपा हांव बरें. And I back answer. From childhood I used to back answer. So I think that is there natural in me. And my even एशें लेक्चराक बसून हांवें जाल्यार फाटल्यान कमेंट मारप, कितें म्हणप आनी something slow I will say and the others I will say in such a thing that you can't even tell the teacher. So तेसो म्हणप आनी मागीर ती सगळीं भुरगीं आसतालीं. So that naughtiness, back answering I had. So if you say many says as a comedian, I've never done role एशें कोन्न तोंत्र्याचो जावं character role I've never done. I've done only one role, so I think I cannot say I'm the best. So so many things are yet to be done. And I feel मुको ते केन्ना जावपाचें ना आनी हांव केन्ना करपाचें ना. Like molding yourself सारकें आनी ते भाशेन उलोवपाचें, ओरेड इंग्लीश उलोवन करपाचें, that I can't do. I really can't do that. For me, like तूं म्हाका कितें सांगा, तूं 4 सांगून हांव गेलें. I'm happy with that.
okay.
I may re-release Kani because शो जावपा शकताय बी मी नाही बी कित्या ह्या म्हणटा कोणी न्यू तियात्र येता. सो इट इज लायक वॉट दीस इंडस्ट्री इज वॉट एक जाल्यार एकूच चलतलो. इट्स व्हेरी रेअर दुसरो 2-3 बराबर चलपा. सो इफ आय हॅव अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू पूट आनी लोक जात जाल्यार मे बी, बट नॉट 100% शुअर. बिकॉज फॉर दॅट बॅक ऑल्सो आय हॅव टू like starting again and keeping some finance for that. So that advertisement and they person like I spend my own money. Otherwise most of the directors sponsors asta ads be. I never did that because for female it is always different. Te tej baleru ad maga pala ads chadse bar owners also. So I didn't even, somebody told me that he is giving ad. Many told me. I said no, I don't want. So I ad kenna konale gelna. So completely I invested my own money for it. Theatre, at least in 2 years I will direct my own theatre. And acting for someone, if I get good opportunity, then surely I will do. But one theatre 1 year, like for me.
Okay.
Audience are my favorite always. आणि ऑडियन्सांक लागून हांव आसा म्हज्यान म्हणूंक येता. एंड थँक्यू फॉर एक्सेप्टींग मी. एंड स्पेशली थँक्यू जरी तर हो काणी तियात्र चलोंक नासलो जाल्यार आय थिंक आय वूड नेवर कम बॅक ऑन दीस स्टेज. आनी हो तियात्र तुमी उखलून दवरलो म्हणून चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं. एंड एक्सेप्टींग माय कास्ट, माय यंग स्टुडंट्स, ताका लागून तुमकां चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू सो मच.
ओके, थँक्यू सो मच. दोनूच तुवें आमकां सांगली आनी तुजो आयज मोलादीक वेळ आमचे खातीर दिलो म्हूण आनी ही तुजी मुलाखत घेवपाक आमकां संदी दिली म्हूण आमी आख्खी आमची टीम तुजी आभारी. थँक्यू सो मच.
तुकाय देव बरें करूं.
थँक्यू. सगळ्यांक तुमकां आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोवन म्युझिक वायब्रंट.